What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carlos. We're gonna do a POV drive in the SCAT. These roads right here are very windy. I was gonna make an awesome video today. We might do a couple pulls. I'm gonna do a little bit of talking, a little bit of not talking, because some of y'all don't like talking, some of y'all do like talking. So I'm gonna give y'all both. Not talking, but man, we are, at the time I'm recording this, we are at 47 subs. We are close to 50 subs, which is crazy because I just started my YouTube journey like literally 2 weeks ago, like today on the dot. Today I started 2 weeks ago and we're already at 47 subscribers, which is crazy. I just want to say I appreciate all you guys subbing and viewing and honestly liking the videos and commenting, all that good stuff. I really do appreciate all you guys subbing to the channel, loving the videos, and just, you know, critiquing me as well, like what I should do to the SCAT, because like I said, I got a lot of plans for the SCAT, but this is my first V8 muscle car. So at the same time, I need y'all's help to tell me what I should be doing to the SCAT. You know what I mean? Some of y'all said I should do a weaker bill, a tune, headers, that's for sure all coming. But if y'all know any other setups that I should do to the SCAT, please let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, I just had to throw that out there, quick appreciation just for all the subs. And honestly, you watching this, thank you, literally thank you. Y'all are making my dream come true, and we're only gonna go up from here. I'm gonna look back at this and be like, damn, 47 subs, that's gonna be crazy. It feels like a roller coaster?
Yeah. I want to watch this if it was on YouTube.
Oh dude, this is so windy, this is fun. Look at that view. This car is so fun. Look at that view though. Can we just appreciate that view? Damn. We are on the road to 1K subs. That's for sure gonna happen. So if y'all watching right now, subscribe to the channel, comment, like, all that good stuff as well. Go follow me on Instagram, Scatty Carlos. Look at those bikes. Damn. This video is gonna consist more of you know, less talking, more of just driving. But if y'all want that to change, let me know in the comments down below too on that. The road has ended to the highway. Now we are about to head on the highway for you guys, and we'll do a quick little pulls there because I know y'all love them pulls. Y'all are some little fiends for them pulls. Let me go on sport so I can hear it open up. Little pool right there. Hey, y'all better like the video, bro. I'm spending my gas on this video. Gas ain't cheap. Y'all boys better like and sub. Doing these quick little pulls for y'all boys. Y'all boys check if is there anybody there? Alright, I'm gonna trust y'all. No blinkers. No blinkers. We're cutting up. need a challenge for what my Scatpack is capable of doing, so I could do some mods to it and see if I, you know, like if it beats Camaros and not Mustangs, then let me, like, you know, learn how to beat Mustangs. Like, what kind of mods do I need and stuff like that, because the Scatpack, it's fast and all, but it's very, very heavy. It's a freaking boat, so for sure need that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end it right here. Subscribe to the channel if y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all for watching this far. I really do appreciate all you guys showing love on the last video. I really do appreciate all you guys watching. You right now, yes, you. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Carlos, and I'm out. Hold on. Peace.